Hi friends! Are you looking for the best kids lunch solution? Well, look no further. This is the Mavgv Kids Lunchbox. They're leak-proof, BPA-free, non-toxic, and made with food-safe materials. It's designed with durable, rubber-coated edges that protect the lunchbox when dropped, 2 kid-friendly latches, and inside you'll find a removable microwave and dishwasher-safe tray with 5-portion perfect compartments. Recommended for children ages 3 to 7, this lid is perfectly contoured to each compartment to keep meals and snacks fresh and mess-free during transport. That means you can pack things like sauces, yogurt, ranch, hummus, and even applesauce without even worrying about it spilling between compartments or in your child's lunch bag. I like to pack my kids' lunches the night before and just stack them in the fridge so it's easy to grab and go the next day for school, picnics, or any outdoor activities. And cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the removable compartment tray in the top shelf of your dishwasher after meals and snacks. There are so many different colors, patterns, and prints to choose from to showcase your child's personality.
Using the Mavgv popcorn popper is super easy. First, expand the popcorn popper. Next, add 1/4 cup or fill to the bottom line with your favorite popcorn kernels. Next, place the lid loosely inside the bowl. Use the 2 handles to place in the microwave and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Carefully remove the popcorn popper from the microwave and enjoy a healthy snack. Toppings optional. The Mavgv popcorn popper features a collapsible, space-saving design, is made from food-grade silicone, is dishwasher safe, and comes in an assortment of colors.